In the bid and proposal world, there is one document that opens more doors than almost any other, and that is the RFP, Request for Proposal. And in this video, we're going to break down what it is, why it matters, and how to approach it, drawing on best practices used by professionals around the globe. So, to start, what is an RFP? An RFP is a formal request from an organization, often issued by a government agency or large company, inviting suppliers to propose solutions for a project or service. It's your opportunity to show how you'll deliver, what it will cost, and why your approach offers the best value. Okay, here's an example. Imagine a city council wants to replace its street lighting with energy-efficient LEDs. They won't just call one supplier and place an order, they'll issue an RFP. That document will outline their goals, technical requirements, timelines, and how they'll evaluate responses. Then, multiple suppliers will submit proposals, and the council will choose the one that best meets their needs within budget. And in different parts of the world, you may also hear it being called an invitation to tender or call for proposals. The aim is all the same, to create a fair, structured process for selecting the right partner. You may be asking yourself, but why do RFPs matter? Well, they are designed to ensure fairness and transparency. Everyone works from the same set of requirements, the same deadlines, and the same evaluation criteria. For professionals, they're a chance to secure new work, build client relationships, and strengthen your organization's reputation. Handled well, and an RFP isn't just a business opportunity, it's a way to demonstrate credibility, capability, and trust. So now that we know what an RFP is and why they matter, what is actually in an RFP? While every RFP looks a little different, most will follow a familiar pattern. You'll usually start with the background. This explains why the organization needs the work and the challenges they're facing. From there, you'll see the scope of work, the deliverables, timelines, and expectations that define the project. Next comes the submission requirements. These are the rules for how to format and submit your proposal. This one is especially important because if you miss one of these, then you risk being disqualified before they even read your ideas. You'll also find the evaluation criteria, which tells you exactly how your proposal will be scored. This is your roadmap for what to emphasize. And finally, there are the deadlines, the dates for submission, and sometimes when the decision will be announced. In competitive bids, every second counts, so knowing these dates from the start is essential. Understanding each of these sections and tailoring your response to them is one of the most important skills you can develop as a proposal professional. And now, onto some tips. When you receive an RFP, read it carefully before you start writing. Confirm you can meet all requirements, align on a response strategy, and give yourself time for reviews. Then, keep these 3 proven principles in mind. Number 1, let the scoring guide your story. The evaluation criteria aren't just rules, they're a roadmap. Shape your proposal so every point aligns with how you'll be judged. 2, recognize patterns and prepare for them. In this profession, certain requests repeat. Anticipate them, refine your best responses, and you'll gain time to focus on the details that truly set you apart. And 3, treat every outcome as a learning experience. Whether you win or lose, feedback is insight. Gather it, study it, and let it sharpen your approach for the next opportunity. Remember, the strongest proposals do more than follow instructions. They address the client's needs, highlight your strengths, and make it easy for evaluators to choose you. And there we have it. We've looked at what an RFP is, why it matters, and how to approach them with confidence. If this is your first step into the bid and proposal profession, remember, understanding the document is just the beginning. If you're ready to take your skills even further, APMP is here to help. From in-depth training on breaking down complex RFPs, to proven techniques for building winning strategies, and certifications that highlight your expertise to employers, we'll equip you with the tools and knowledge to excel. If that sounds like the right next step for you, then the link to the website is down in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.